Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Pinterest pin not saving. So in order to fix Pinterest pin not saving, you could try for a couple of these steps. First thing first, launch open settings on your device and make sure that you've updated the app to the latest version or not. Actually, you want to make sure to go to select see all apps and go to Pinterest and make sure that you've cleared your cache and data as well. Next, you also want to make sure to go to permission and make sure that file, photo, and videos are enabled. Now that you've done this, and you could also go ahead and update the app, go to your app store, type in Pinterest on the search bar, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version as well. If nothing works out, you could also go ahead and use the browser version of it, and you could also avoid using incognito mode, or you could also disable any sort of VPN and extension if you've used. So these are a couple things that can help you fix Pinterest not saving. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.